to Craftory by PragerU Kids, crafts, history, and your questions. I'm Jill, and in 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Did you know? Today, we're creating our very own homemade action model of ships at sea in a jar to celebrate an explorer very important to America, Christopher Columbus. Here's what you'll need. A clear jar, toothpicks, baby oil or vegetable oil, I'm using baby oil, blue food coloring, cardboard, white packing tape, and super glue. Be careful with this one because you don't want to get your fingers stuck together. Okay, we've got a question.
There's a lot of explorers out there, so why is Christopher Columbus so important?
Good question, and you're right. There are many explorers important to America. There was one explorer named Leif Erikson who discovered our American continent hundreds of years before Christopher Columbus. But Columbus was the first explorer who opened the New World in the West to colonization. Christopher Columbus was born in 1451 in Genoa, now a part of Italy, and eventually moved to Spain. He learned to sail when he was a teenager and loved being at sea. In the year 1453, Europe stopped being able to trade goods with Asia through an ancient route they used called the Silk Road. So Christopher Columbus thought, why don't I just sail to Asia so we can trade again? He didn't know there was land in the way. Columbus had courage and persistence. After asking many leaders for help, it was King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain who finally gave him a thumbs up and money to take a transatlantic voyage that set sail on August 3rd, 1492. Columbus took 3 ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Historians tell us that Columbus's crew spotted land on October 12, 1492. He arrived in the Bahamas, which he thought was India, and named the island San Salvador. Columbus was not a perfect person, but his expeditions to the New World inspired exploration and discovery, which led Europeans to settle on new land that would eventually become our United States of America. That's why, in 1937, President Franklin Roosevelt officially declared Columbus Day an American holiday. Columbus Day is recognized on the second Monday of October. You ready to make Columbus's ships at sea? Let's go. We're gonna start with our cardboard and making the teeny tiny little ship. Take your cardboard, fold it in half. It's kind of firm, might be a little difficult, but you can do it. Right where the fold is, we're gonna draw the shape of a little ship. And then we're gonna cut it out. Make sure you cut both pieces of the little cardboard. So after you cut it, you can see it's a little ship that kind of opens like this, folded at the bottom. Then you're gonna make a little hole at the very bottom where the fold is. So you can stick your toothpick through it. Like this. This is gonna hold your sail. Next, take your packing tape. Fold it into a little triangle. Cut off the sticky parts. Once you fold your triangle, you're gonna make little slits so that you have holes to put your sail through the toothpick. Ta-da! It's a little boat. So I think we should name this one the Nina. And now we have to make the Pinta and the Santa Maria. So now we've got our Nina, Pinta, and Santa Maria. And now I gotta go fill this with water. We got water! This is gonna be our ocean. Fill your jar to a little more than halfway because what we're gonna do is drop these ships in here. But first, we gotta make it blue because it's the ocean. A little bit of blue food coloring. Nice. Not too much. That's a pretty ocean. We've got the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. So cute. Once you've got your ships on your ocean, you're gonna add the baby oil on top of it to fill the jar all the way to the top so that there is no air left in the jar. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. It might get messy, but that's okay. So now, this is the part for the super glue. Put a little bit of super glue around the jar to seal it shut. You might need someone to help you. And there you have your ships on a stormy sea. This is really cool. It takes a while for the oil in the water to settle, but those ships are sailing. We did it! The Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria on the stormy seas, heading for America in your own house. We hope you had fun. If you've got ideas or questions for our next Craftory, send them our way. Keep crafting, keep learning, and keep celebrating land of the free and home of the brave. I could watch this all day. Thank you for watching this video. To keep PragerU videos free, please consider making a tax-deductible donation.